Okay, so like everyone's freaking out about AI, right?
Right.
Saying it's going to change like everything.
Yeah,
And, we have to talk about what's going on in the world of coding.
absolutely.
We're diving into this article, and it's called Why ChatGPT Won't Replace Coders, which is a pretty bold statement.
It is. Yeah, it is. It's a very provocative title.
Yeah.
Gets you thinking right away. And it really sums up, I think, the fears and the hopes,
Hmm.
honestly, around AI. This idea that you could just tell a computer what to do, just like normal speaking, plain English,
Right,
and have
exactly.
it like magically spit out perfect code.
Oh man, that would be the dream.
Right. It's
The
like,
ultimate dream. Anyone who's ever even like looked at a line of code is like, please, I want that. Right?
totally. But, the article makes a really good point, and common sense, I think, backs it up too. It's not that simple.
No, it's not.
Like human language,
Of course
it's
no.
so complex. We
Yeah.
say, make the button blue, but to a computer, that could mean a million things.
Sure.
What shade of blue?
Right. How big is this button?
Exactly. And where on the screen? Code needs to be so precise, it's insane. And our everyday language, it's just not.
So I guess what you're saying is all those late night debugging sessions,
Right.
those aren't going away because of AI?
Probably not.
Bummer.
No.
But, okay. So are coders using AI though? I mean, is it actually like out there in the real world being used? And like, what are the results?
Yeah, it's a great question. So there was this study from Microsoft,
Okay.
and, you got people talking.
Right.
Because they found junior devs, when they used AI, their productivity went up 26%.
Oh, wow. That's significant. That's huge.
It is.
Okay,
Wait,
but
but there's always a but.
yes, senior developers, the ones with years of experience, they saw almost no benefit.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and it gets weirder.
Weirder. Okay, weirder how?
So, other studies, like one by UpLevel, they found no efficiency gains at all. In fact, using AI was linked to a 41% increase in bugs. Wait, hold on. More bugs. I thought this was supposed to, like, make things better.
And it gets worse.
Oh, no, it's going downhill. Okay.
Get clear. Another tech company, they found AI use was linked to more like copy-pasting code
Oh, no.
and security vulnerabilities. It's like,
Uh,
yeah, it's like AI was encouraging some bad habits.
so you're saying AI is going to turn us all into bad coders?
Well, not necessarily. I mean, there's some things it seems to be good at. Like, remember that bit in the article about boilerplate tasks?
Right. Those repetitive tasks, the stuff that, like, no one really wants to do.
Exactly.
Having a coding intern who never sleeps. Okay, so is that where AI shines? With those kind of like mindless tasks.
It seems like it can crank that stuff out like nobody's business.
Makes sense. Now, the article also mentioned AI for web design. Anything interesting there?
Oh, yeah. The author talked about using AI to create a website for a pet salon, fictional pet salon.
Okay. Sounds harmless enough.
Right. Well, the AI got a little carried away and started making up fake products, fake customer reviews. Hilarious.
It's like the AI was trying to like build out a whole like fake business.
Right, like
Okay.
it was going to launch this fake pet salon.
Yeah.
It's a good reminder that AI, it doesn't always understand the difference between, reality and what it's making up.
Wow. Okay, so it sounds like AI isn't going to be replacing coders anytime soon, but it could definitely lead to some interesting situations.
Yeah, I'd say so.
So to kind of bring this all together, should coders be worried? Should they be looking over their shoulder right now?
That's the million-dollar question. Honestly, this article really hammered home the point that AI is a tool. It's not a replacement, at least not yet.
Right. Okay.
The key is going to be knowing when and how to use AI effectively. Like, think of it like a really, really powerful calculator. That calculator is not going to do your taxes for you, but it can make the process way faster.
Right, if you know how to use it.
Exactly.
Okay. And that actually brings us to the economic side of things, which I thought the article did a really good job of addressing. This idea that, AI is so hyped up. Right.
Is that leading to some unrealistic expectations? Especially when we talk about the job market.
100%. It's easy to get caught up in the hype, but we need to stay grounded. AI has the potential to be incredibly transformative, but it's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take time.
And I think articles like this are important because they give us a little reality check.
Ah, absolutely. A dose of reality.
All right. So before we wrap up, is there one big takeaway you want our listeners to walk away with today?
I would say don't be afraid of AI, but don't underestimate it either. The future is all about working with these tools, understanding their strengths and weaknesses.
It's like that old saying, if you can't beat them.
Join them.
Exactly. And that actually leads to something I was thinking about. We've been talking about coding this whole time. But if AI can impact this field in such surprising ways, what other professions might be next? What other industries could be completely transformed? And what does that mean for all of us? I think that's something worth thinking about.